Dear students, in this module we are going to talk about Kashmiri as regional language. Kashmiri, as you know, is the language of people who are mostly living in the occupied as well as Azad Jammu and Kashmir. The language has been principally derived from Sanskrit, but mostly it is written in the Arabic script. It is mostly being spoken by the Muslim families of the valley, and it has the many of the people living in the diaspora communities as well in the Europe as well as in America and Canada. It contains many Turkish, Arabic, and Persian words, which are written mostly in the Persian script. Kashmiri is spoken globally. If we talk about the statistics, it is mostly spoken by almost around 7 million people around the globe. It has many different dialects, including Rambani, Kashtwari, as well as Poguli. It began, if we talk about the history, its literature began to emerge during the 1250s by the famous work of Rajanka Shitikantha during the 1250s. The poetry was first done in Kashmiri by Lilashwari during the 14th century. And the style of the poetry was the four-line couplets. Kashmiri, like all the regional languages in Pakistan, has a very rich literature, both in poetry as well as prose. And if we talk about most of the famous authors or famous literary writers in Kashmiri language are Shah Nuruddin, Khatun Lilla Anifa, as well as Baba Nasiruddin.